Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the UEFI firmware settings option missing on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This issue usually appears when you try to access the BIOS from the Advanced Startup menu, but the option just isn't there. Don't worry, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step. First, let's understand what causes this. The UEFI firmware settings option disappears if your PC is using legacy BIOS mode instead of UEFI, or if fast startup and secure boot settings interfere. It can also happen if your motherboard firmware isn't detected properly by Windows. So let's fix this from the basics. Step 1. Let's confirm your system is using UEFI mode. Press Windows plus R, type msinfo32, and hit Enter. In the System Information window, look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, great, the issue is software-based. But if it says Legacy, that's the reason the option is missing. You'll need to convert your disk from MBR to GPT to use UEFI mode. To do this safely, open Command Prompt as administrator and type MBR to GPT /convert/allow full OS. Once the conversion is complete, restart your PC and enter your BIOS using your manufacturer's key, usually F2, F10, F12, or delete, and make sure UEFI boot mode is enabled. Now, if your system is already in UEFI mode, but the option still doesn't appear, try disabling Fast Startup. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options, choose what the power buttons do, then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Save changes and restart your computer. Fast Startup can prevent Windows from detecting firmware options properly. Next, let's ensure Windows recognizes your motherboard firmware. Open Device Manager, expand the Firmware category, and right-click on System Firmware. Choose Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. This ensures your firmware communication is up to date. If you still can't see the UEFI firmware settings option, there's another simple workaround. Instead of using the Advanced Startup menu, you can manually enter BIOS at Startup. Restart your PC, and as soon as the manufacturer's logo appears, press your BIOS key, usually F2, F10, F12, or delete, until you enter the BIOS screen. Finally, if nothing works, reset your BIOS settings manually. Shut down your PC, unplug the power cable, and remove the CMOS battery from your motherboard for about 10 seconds. Then reinsert it, plug your PC back in, and start it. This clears firmware issues and restores BIOS access. And that's it. Now you know several ways to fix the missing UEFI firmware settings option on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Try these steps carefully, and you'll be able to access your BIOS again without any problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.